So this video is special because many people are requesting make a surface tutorial. So while doing this tutorial took me hours basically how to make this. So I hope you guys going to like this. So let's start. So first select the front plane, click on sketch. Now click on tools, sketch tools, click on sketch picture. Import this picture, okay? So here you can see I got this picture. Now what you need to do is make this image at the center. So here you see that this width is 392 mm and length is 359 mm. So minus 392 divided by 2, okay, and minus 359 divided by 2. So as you can see, the image is in the center. Those who are wondering why minus, because I want in the center. So basically this line is basically the 0 0, and so this goes as minus 179 this side and 179.5 this side, okay. So this is what going on. So click OK. Now select the top plane. First exit the sketch mode, sorry, plane. Now select the top plane, press Ctrl and drag this, click OK. Sorry, edit. uh, Select this face, make sure that it is in the center nearly, not exactly. Actually it is nearly perfect. So click OK. We need one more plane, so press Ctrl and drag this downward. Select the top plane and drag this here, click OK. Now let's start the sketching work. Select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now click on spline. I'm going to just use spline command here, so watch carefully. Exit by escaping. Now draw a center line, make sure that it coincides with it. Now exit the sketch mode. Now what you need to do is select the right plane, click on sketch, go to tools, sketch tools, sketch picture, import this one. Again do the same thing, minus 392 divided by 2 and minus 359 divided by 2, click OK. So here you can see I got a sketch here as well. So it is very beneficial for me. So select the right plane, sorry, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now we need to draw a sketch here, click on spline again. Exit the assembly component mode, select this plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view, press Ctrl plus 8 again. Now go to spline, make sure that they both coincide with each other and move it little downward. Delete this, sorry for the unnecessary noise. Exit the sketch mode, select this plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. For those who don't know, surfacing is not my specialty. Even I learn from scratch and it is very difficult for me. Delete this. Sorry for the all unnecessary noise that you are hearing. Can't do anything for that. Exit the sketch mode and click on surfaces. If you can't able to see, simply right click here or anywhere and check the surfaces. Click OK. Remember, they are not exact dimensions, so it is all just a rough sketch. Okay. Now select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. This one is the most difficult for me. Make sure you watch this step very carefully because this one, especially this step that I'm going to do, it took me more than an hour to realize how the hell it is going to do it. Escape. Select this one. Make this spline little smaller. Again, click on spline. Remember, don't make a continuous one. You need to make another spline, okay? As you can see, these two are different splines, not a single one. Now exit the sketch mode. Now here comes the most difficult part that I think it is. Click on 3D sketch. Now you have to create a 3D sketch here. Select this dot. Now this is basically a 3D spline. So now let's try to convert it 3D. Select this point. Basically just increase the 20 mm. Just select this point and increase to 20 mm. You can increase the height any other height as per your requirement, but I find 20 mm is okay. But you can choose again on your own. It is not necessary that you copy mine. 20, 20, 20, and the last one 20. Okay, so this step when I tried first time, I got lots of error while doing this surface command boundary surface because my sketch is not totally complete, some errors. So make sure, I highly recommend that you watch the making of sketches, how I made it, because if you don't make correct sketch you will face a lot of problem. Okay, now click on first exit the sketch mode, click on boundary surface, delete this, delete. So first select this one. Okay, and select this one. So here I got a problem, that is totally my fault. Remember, I told you that this sketch must not be continuous. So what is going on here is that it is not taking the sketch line as a single part. It's taking as a continuous part. So it is creating a problem. So let's try to figure out some way. Click open. Oh, I can't select it. So because of the problem, what I need to do is click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, select this one, press delete, exit, go to sketch, select the front plane, click on sketch. So I need to make a sketch again because of my stupidity. As I told you, even after practice, I'm still making errors. And mistakes are the best friends because they teach you a lot in life. And select this plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now we need to create one more thing, a profile. So click on spline, escape. Select this point and press Ctrl and click on this one. Move it little here. Select this point and this point, make it coincide. Delete this constraint first. Select this point and delete this one as well. Select this constraint, make piracy. Now exit. Now go to surfaces, click on boundary surface, uh, delete, select this one and this one and this one. Uh, Oh, there is some error. Okay, go to boundary surface, select this one, this one, and the last this one. Okay, so make sure that you follow the same the ranking. For example, I sketch outer sketch, inner sketch, at the end 3D sketch, and this one is for direction 2. So make sure that you follow the steps, else you will face a lots of problem. Really saying that I face a lot of problem, okay, while making this. So make sure that you don't do my kind of stupidity. Now go to features, click here, click on mirror. While doing surfaces, remember features to mirror, faces to mirrors, most of the time doesn't work. So I highly recommend while doing surfacing, use bodies to mirror because I never face problem while using them. First select the right plane, select this one and this one, click OK. Now again click on mirror, select the top front plane and remember while bodies to mirror you can't select from here, you need to select from here. So select these things, click OK. So here we got it. Now hide those sketches. So this is how it looks like currently, but we still have a lot to go. Select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Draw a center line, draw a spline here. Let's just make it close sketch, but you can use surfaces, but I don't want surfaces because it's really guys it's too tough for me while doing all these things. Seriously, it took me more a very long time, while making this and facing lots of error. Exit. Okay, here we have to make this part as well. So let's see we have any plane over there. So currently there is no plane here. So press Control plus, sorry, select the front plane, press Control plus 8, select the top plane, press Control and drag this, exit top plane, move it here, okay, go to sketches, select the front plane first, click on rebuild, sketch, click on rotate entities, okay it is not working, go to features, click on surfaces, exit the sketch mode, boundary surface, sorry field surface, delete this, select the top plane. I'm going to make one more plane right here. Click OK. Select this plane. Click on sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8 for no masking to the view. Uh, click on 3-point arc. Press Ctrl plus 8 so we can view. Exit the sketch mode. Select the top plane, front plane, sorry. Press Ctrl plus 8. After that, select this and this. Click OK. Go to first exit. Go to surfaces. Click on short surface. Profile. Select this one. Okay, it is not fully getting here. So let's try press Ctrl plus 8. Now draw. Now let's make a one more sketch. As I told you, this is the very difficult for me. Escape. Press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Press Ctrl plus 8. Press Ctrl Z. I don't know what's going on. It automatically going out too much. Okay, I have to delete the sketches. Make it this big. Exit. Select this one. Click sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8. Okay. Exit the sketch mode. So here we got it. Now go to features. Click on mirror, front plane, bodies to mirror. Click this. Okay. Right click hide. That hides the planes. Let's give this part some color. Part. Empty. Press Ctrl plus 8. Go to SolidWorks add-in. Photo with history. Let's see how does it look like. Uh, Integrated preview. Turn on perspective view. So this is how it looks like after working hours. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any doubts and queries, make sure that you ask in comments, and there will be a lot of time gap for another surface tutorial because this one especially took me an hour more time. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.